In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write user stories in Jira. Whether you're working with a Scrum board or a Kanban board, this process will help you create clear and concise user stories efficiently. First, let's open up Jira and navigate to your chosen board, be it Scrum or Kanban. This is your starting point for creating user stories, a fundamental part of agile project management that helps teams articulate the expected outcome and user benefit of a feature or enhancement. If you're using Scrum, you'll want to click on the backlog, whereas Kanban users can go directly to the board section. This is where you'll be able to view and manage your stories, so keeping this section organized is key to maintaining workflow efficiency. Next, it's time to create your user story. Head to the top navigation bar and click on the Create button. This will open up a new issue window where you can start defining the specifications of your user story. In the issue type drop-down menu, select Story. It's important to set the issue type correctly to categorize and prioritize tasks effectively with the rest of your team. Now let's move on to the summary. The summary is essentially a short title that encapsulates the essence of your story. For instance, you might have a summary like password reset functionality. This should be a brief and clear statement that makes it immediately obvious what the story is about. The heart of the user story lies in the description. Here, you'll employ a widely used format that begins with, as a user, I want to goal so that benefit. This template helps ensure that the focus remains on the user's needs and the tangible outcome of implementing the story. For example, you might write, as a customer, I want to reset my password so that I can regain access to my account. This example highlights the user's identity, their goal, and the benefit they derive from achieving it. After writing your user story, it's important to assign it to a specific team member. This accountability ensures that tasks are tracked and progress is made efficiently. You might need to check with your team to see who has availability or relevant expertise for the story you've created. Next, consider whether to link the story to an epic. Epics are larger bodies of work that can be broken down into smaller, manageable stories. If your story is part of a larger project, linking it to an epic can help illustrate its role within the broader scope. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, simply click Create to add the user story to Jira. You'll notice that it appears in your backlog or on your Kanban board. From here, you can continue to track progress, make updates, and manage the story as part of your project's workflow. With these steps, you'll be able to create user stories in Jira that are both informative and actionable, setting your teams up for successful project management.